080, verify squawking 511. I see it just came on there, thank you, 00, contact Detroit.
Alright, contact Detroit, 1600, thanks.
Foothill 329, over Detroit departure, have a good flight.
Foothill 329, good day.
Check. Okay, starting our checklist in the DA-40. Switching to 830 Bravo Sierra. Well, thank you for that.
7,000 broken, sure, -2, 2 points, -9er, altimeter 3039er, RNAV runway 27 left, departure use, landing and departing runway 27 left and 27 right. All IFR departures, contact ground control 121.9er. Advise on this contact, you have information, Oscar.
Okay, avionics master on, comm set and checked. Looking good. And we are on tower, so...
This is Warrior 1-1. Pontiac ground, Diamond 390, Juliet Alpha at Maven, information Oscar, run up complete, ready to taxi.
390, Juliet Alpha, Pontiac ground, runway 27 left, taxi Charlie.
27 left, taxi Charlie 390, Juliet Alpha.
Okay, set the wind, set the heading bug for the wind direction at 210. Are good, volts are good at 28. Fuel quantity, left is full, right is full. Plenty fuel flow, gallons per hour 2.1. Okay, transponder is set, alerts are checked. The selector is on fullest tank. XC diagram available. Do our run up here. Oh, brakes I'm holding. Doors are secure. Fuel tank is on the fullest, instruments back. Oil temperature's coming up, fuel pressure, oil pressure is good, fuel flow is 2.1, PM's 1170, manifold is 11, fuel quantity is good. Gas temperature is coming up, cylinder head temperature 18. Fuel pump on, mixture full rich, color full, throttle 2000. Okay, throttle 2000, engine gauges, let's see. Oil pressure is good, temperature is coming up, fuel flow 77, manifold's good, gauges look good, magneto's checked, propeller cycle 3 times, so I'm going to watch manifold and RPM. Pontiac ground, Diamond 830 Bravo Sierra is at Maven, ready to taxi with Oscar.
Sorry, 830 Bravo Sierra, Pontiac ground, stand by for just a moment, helicopter traffic will be landing on the ramp.
Roger, no run-up required.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, use caution for the helicopter maneuvering at the ramp, runway 27 left, taxi via Charlie.
27 left, taxi via Charlie, Diamond 830 Bravo Sierra, and looking out for the helicopter. Everything looks clear, weather looks good. Slight breeze from the south. Traffic not too bad. Flow, RPM, manifold pressure, cylinder head temperature, oil temperature looks good. Oil pressure, cylinder head temperature. Oil temp is coming up, oil pressure is in the green, amps are good.
Morning Tower, citation 87 Lima Charlie, ready at 27 left.
30 Foxtrot Pontiac Tower. The Diamond Star departing the Pales, you mean the right turn northbound. Your right turn to the north only is approved, and I'll call your turn to the northeast. Runway 27 clear for takeoff.
Pontiac Tower, Diamond 830 Bravo Sierra, holding short at 27 left, number 2 in sequence, remaining in the pattern.
30 Bravo Sierra, Pontiac Tower, hold short, and 27 left, your number 2.
Holding short, 27 left, number 2, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Charlie, start the right, I see you're in the right turn now, thank you.
You're still calling our turn to the northeast, right? 6 Delta Charlie?
Affirmative.
Pontiac Tower, Diamond 830 Bravo Sierra, holding short at 27 left, number 2 in sequence, remaining in the pattern.
30 Bravo Sierra, Pony Tower, hold short, wind 27 left, your number 2.
Holding short, 27 left, number 2, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Charlie, start the right, I see you're in the right turn now, thank you.
You're still calling our turn to the northeast, right? 6 Delta Charlie.
Affirmative.
Pony Tower, Archer 6288 Juliet, holding short, 27 right, northeast departure.
Citation 7 Lima Charlie, 5 runway heading, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic part in the parallel is going to be right turn northbound, no factor.
Runway heading 27 left, clear for takeoff, 87 Lima Charlie.
3 Echo Juliet, right turn on course approved.
113 Echo Juliet, turn right approved.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, caution wake turbulence for the citation that just departed. Fly straight out for now. I will call your turn. Runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
27 left, clear for takeoff. You'll call my turn, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Station 7 Lima Charlie, again, that traffic ahead and to your right is northbound, no factor. Contact Detroit departure. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Traffic in sight and welcome to departure. Have a good day. 87 Lima Charlie.
Hey, taking off, 27 left, man up. Speed alive. Good. Gauge is 51, 55, 59, rotate. Woo! Here we go. Okay, 400 feet.
Tower, Twin Star 844 Romeo Hotel, 17 to the southwest, inbound for landing with Oscar.
Diamond 844 Romeo Hotel, Pontiac Tower, ident. Enter left downwind, runway 27 left.
Ident, left downwind 27 left for Romeo Hotel.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, fly right traffic, change to runway 27 right.
Right traffic, 27 right, 0 Bravo Sierra.
November 83 Juliet, turn right at Delta 1 if you have it, or at Delta 2, and then contact ground point 9er. Have a good day.
Off Delta 1, over to ground. Have a good day, 2 Juliet.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, number 1, runway 27 right, clear for the option.
Number 1, 27 right, clear for the option, 0 Bravo Sierra. Okay, speed is good. Altitude is a little high. Hold is low. Landing, fuel pump on, lights all on, prop is full, mixture full. Speed is good, altitude is good. And looking for a stabilized approach.
Tower, Dutchess 184 Echo Romeo, holding short of 27 right, northeast departure.
And I want to find about 70, 75.
Runway 27 right at hotel, hold short, runway 27 left.
Cross 27 right and hold at hotel, hold short of 27 left for Romeo.
Little high, little high.
Dutchess 4 Romeo, traffic on finals for the north runway, fly straight out for now. I will call your turn, runway 27 left at hotel, clear for takeoff.
27 left at hotel, clear for takeoff for Echo Romeo.
Twin Star 4 Romeo Hotel, disregard number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 27 left, number 14 Romeo Hotel.
Pontiac Tower, Saratoga 174, Charlie Alpha, only short 27 right,
greased it, baby.
Southwest.
Good, taking off, right rudder. Powerful.
Diamond 5 Tango Lima, stay parking. 5 Tango Lima.
Nice
Saratoga
landing.
174 Charlie Alpha, Pontiac Tower, wind 260 at 6, fly straight out for now. I will call your turn, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff. 27 right, clear for takeoff, fly straight out, 174 Charlie Alpha. And Diamond 5 Tango Lima, number 1, runway 27 right, clear to land. Number 127 right, thank you, 5 Tango Lima. And Dutchess Fork Romeo, you have that Diamond off your right side, in sight.
Affirmative, yeah, we do.
8 o'clock.
Dutchess Fork Romeo, that Diamond remains in right closed traffic, outside of the Diamond, right turn on course approved.
Right turn on course approved, Romeo.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, go ahead and start your right closed traffic.
Starting my right close traffic, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, traffic on finals for the south runway, and additional traffic is a twin Diamond approaching the left base for the parallel runway. Number 1, runway 27 right, clear for the option.
Number 1, 27 right, clear for the option, look for traffic. Traffic in sight.
And 5 Tango Lima to the terminal ramp, please. I'm sorry, second. 5 Tango Lima to the terminal ramp. 5 Tango Lima, roger, make the left turn there at Juliet and contact ground .9er for the terminal ramp. Juliet to ground 5 Tango Lima. Wind at 250 at 8.
All right, number 2, landing number 2. First one was a greaser.
Official aircraft flight information, Papa is current, wind 260 at 5, altimeter 3038.
All right, landing speed is good. Up. Right rudder. Coming out at about 70. And start my turn.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, number 1, runway 27 right, clear for the option.
Number 1, 27 right, clear for the option, 0 Bravo Sierra. Okay, speed is good, 2,000 feet. Parallel to the runway, coming beam the numbers soon. Feet, speed is good. Okay, beam the numbers. Flaps down, manifold lower. For about 85, 90. Flaps to landing, fuel pump on, propeller full, mixer full, landing lights on. All lights on. Nice. It is looking good. Oh, have to try for another greaser. Another butter. Give me some butter. $600 feet, pretty good at the turn on base.
Pontiac Tower, Cirrus 379 Charlie Delta.
Cirrus 379 Charlie Delta, Pontiac Tower.
About 10 to the northwest, inbound full stop, got comma.
Cirrus 9 Charlie Delta, ident, report 2 miles northwest, enter right downwind, runway 27 right.
We'll report right downwind, 2 miles, 27 right for 379 Charlie Delta.
Pontiac Tower, Cirrus 314 Kilo Foxtrot, about 10 miles out, on visual to the left.
Cirrus 314 Kilo Foxtrot, Pontiac Tower, number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Number 127 left, clear to land, 314 Kilo Foxtrot.
I'm sorry, I'm going to taxi back. Can I have 27 right?
0 Bravo Sierra, sure thing. Right turn at Delta 3 there, and runway 27 right, taxi via Delta.
Right on Delta 3, 27 right, taxi via Delta. Thank you. Oh, we had there the good old shimmy shake. The diamond shimmy shake.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, wind 260 at 8, fly right traffic, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
27 right, clear for takeoff, fly right traffic, 0 Bravo Sierra. All right, airspeed alive, 50, 55, 59, rotate. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. .400 feet, flaps up. Stop back.
We have the traffic, 9 Charlie Delta.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, traffic's a Cirrus on a 2-mile final for the parallel runway.
Looking for traffic, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, keep your base turn inside of a mile. You're going to be number 1 in front of a Cherokee on about a 2-mile right base. Runway 27 right, clear for the option.
Short base, 27 right, clear for the option, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, high, 1 mile.
Remember 88 Juliet, change to runway 27 left, number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Switch to 27 left, clear to land, 88 Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Charlie Delta, turn left at Charlie 7, taxi Charlie to midfield. Have a good day.
Charlie 7, Charlie midfield, see ya.
About this will be full stop termination. I got some kind of shaking going on. Back to Maven.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, roger, turn left at Lima and hold short of runway 27 left.
Left at Lima, hold short at 27 left, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Number 88 Juliet, make the right turn at Juliet, cross runway 27 right, and then contact ground point 9 on the north side.
Right on Juliet, cross 27 right, and ground 628 Juliet.
Diamond 0 Bravo Sierra, cross runway 27 left at Lima, and contact ground point 9 on the south side.
Cross 27 left at Lima, over to ground. 0 Bravo Sierra.
Pontiac Tower, meeting 1200 X-ray, ready to go 27 right.
Meeting 1200 X-ray Pontiac Tower, runway 27 right, line up and wait, traffic crossing downfield.
00 X-ray, line up and wait, 27 right.
Mooney 00 X-ray, what's your direction on departure?
00 X-ray to the north, we'll be maneuvering north from return.
Mooney 00 X-ray, roger, on course approved, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
00 X-ray, 27 right, clear for takeoff on course.
Pontiac ground 0 Bravo Sierra is clear of 27 left, holding at Lima. Going back to Maven.
Diamond Star 30 Bravo Sierra, Pontiac ground, taxi via Charlie.
Taxi via Charlie, 0 Bravo Sierra. So I think that shimmy shake is actually normal for the 20s and the 40s. We'll call it a day for now and look forward to the next flight.